Fashion Magazine. Dina Ayada here. Get ready with me. I just got back from the sound check for Salomon. Got a performance tonight. I'm about to get ready. Get ready with me. About to hop in the shower, then do my makeup. Follow me. Now my teeth is done. I'm about to brush my grills, and then I'm about to put on my makeup, clothes. I put my outfit together with my creative director. She's always helping me. This is my first time doing Paris Fashion Week officially, and I'm really grateful. Anyways, so yeah, enough talking. I'm about to get dressed, get ready, finish my makeup, drink water, stay hydrated, and I'm gonna get back to y'all.
What's for me gon' come, I believe. It ain't no revenge that I need. They hurt when they see me succeed.
This is my outfit for tonight.
We got the bag and I feel
I'm about to go in. I'm very excited. Come with me.
Call up my friends tonight, we getting it. Who gon' hold me down? Who gon' take that bed? Thank you so much. I love you. Big shout out to Salomon and a big shout out to you guys and my team.